Turns out the old plug's leaking. First, we're gonna jack it up here. We're gonna pop these lugs off. Oh, we gotta throw another one of these bad boys in there. See if it lasts another 6 months. Lather some of this on there. Oh, maybe she's all dried out. There it is. Yep, yep. Put a little bit of this, kind of like that, and then give her one of those. Run that in there. Come on. Get. Seat it in there, and then give her a pull. Good. I have yet to be disappointed with this brand. I cut the excess off here. The lugs on. Yeah, we'll crank these down until just before those studs break and then let off. Yep, we'll drop this out of here. I don't know what the recommendation is, but that's how much she's getting.